friends. In today's video, we will show how to automate your Rithmic connections. As you know, we have already provided TradingView to TradingView integration. Now users are asking for Rithmic integration, so we have developed that, so it's similar to what you are doing in TradingView. Let me explain to you the differences between them. So here I have already connected, but you have to go there, put your username, put your route, whatever routes you are going to place, here password, and then system name. So the username you are going to put in Rithmic, you have to put it here in PickMyTrade also. In the password, you put the Rithmic password, and then you select the system name. In route, if you are selecting Rithmic paper trading, then it's going to be a simulator. And if you are selecting Rithmic test or Rithmic 01, then it's going to be Globax, so you have to notice. So now let me log into my Rithmic account. So once you click on create, it will give you this pop-up message representing all the terms and conditions, and when I agree it gets saved. Then you click on connect, and you can see it is now connected, and it is also showing them. Now what thing you have to do is, click on generate an alert, and you can select either indicator or strategy. There are tutorials over there so you can watch them from there. And you have to specify the account. Click on yes, and then click on add account. Here you have to put your account name, and click on save changes. Then you have to click on generate alert, then click on copy code. Then you have to click on alerts in TradingView. So as I have already selected the strategy, I will click on this plus icon, then I will select the strategy and paste that code over here. And in the webhook URL, I will go to PickMyTrade, click on the webhook URL, it will get copied, and then paste it over here and create the alert. So alert is going to be created. Now you just have to go on the home page and wait for the alert to get created. So whenever an alert comes, it will be displayed there. So whatever alert is placed, it will be represented as entry ID. And if you place take profit or stop loss, then it will show here. And here in the orders section, I can see all the orders placed in the Rithmic. And if it gets rejected, then it will display here. We have a settings section that is auto-populated for all the commonly used symbols. So if you are unable to find any setting, then you can search here. Let's say you want to search for NQ, so you can search for it, and if it is not there, you can create the mapping for that particular symbol. So I have to put whatever symbol is coming from the TradingView, then order type market or limit, in the quantity you can put one. So if I select NQZ4, and let's say your symbol is not standard, minimum ticks or lot size does not come, you can go to TradingView, click here in security info, whatever symbol you want to place a trade, so there is a point value in tick size, so tick size you can put it there. And in lot size, there is the point value. Then put the Rithmic symbol, and then exchange, whatever exchange is populated, then stop loss and take profit. And just save it. So that's how it's going to work. From here you can switch to different integration. That's all for this video. If you have any queries, you can contact to our support team.